Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Ubuntu Unity Desktop on Ubuntu Budgie. So first thing that you can do is open terminal. Okay, in my case it's Tilix. So first I will go through apt update. Okay, next thing would be type in sudo apt install ubuntu-unity-desktop. Okay, now I already have it installed, so if I run this it should tell me 0 to install and nothing to upgrade except the previous apt update upgrades. Okay, so what I can do from here is that once this package is installed, I will simply log out. Okay, so once log out, it should take me to the greeter. It already has light DM, so all I have to do is choose Unity from that option. So if I select Unity and then go with the password, okay, it should load the Unity desktop. Okay, considering this is Unity 7, you will find pretty much older Unity desktop version. Okay, everything like your search and human user display interface is active as well, right? And you can check your settings from there. Also your terminal, which is a lot different than Tilix on Ubuntu Budgie, that you can notice here, along with few other tweaks. Like on right hand side you have option for suspend, shutdown, lock, etc. as well, which are now under Ubuntu Unity. Okay, so if I log in again, it should take me back to Ubuntu desktop. So what I will do is we'll log out and switch back to Budgie, where you can see here Unity interface asking me for logout. Now you can go back to Budgie by selecting from this login and then going back, and it should load the Budgie desktop back. So you get the idea how to install Ubuntu Unity 7 desktop in your current Ubuntu Budgie or any other Ubuntu flavor.